How to log into Klarna. Need to log back in. This guide shows you how you can log back into Klarna so you can get back to your account. First, open the Klarna account. On the home screen, you'll see a login button. Tap on it to go to the login page. You'll be asked to enter your phone number or email address. Klarna will send a verification code to your phone number or email address. You'll need to enter the login code to log in to your account. You can also use the one-time password to log in. This is a very secure way to log into your account. If you have a Face ID or Touch ID enabled on your iPhone, you can also use it to log in. This is a very convenient and secure way to log into your account. You can enable this feature in the app settings. You now know how to log in to Klarna. Get ready to get back to your account. Like and subscribe for more financial tips.